on 751 north, going towards Dover from Route 36. Had to stop and do a little adjustment on the GoPro. Brenda says she's getting tired of these cameras. Huh?
I ain't seen nothing.
At least today is a little greener than what it was last time we were here. I just think it's a nice, beautiful ride in the countryside, a little twisty, turny. We just passed State Route 93. Got to get Brenda's butt in gear one day and take her out there. Live one.
He ran.
Yeah, spooked him. Wonder who keeps putting the food on the road. Look at the big. I'm just getting ready to say that. Somebody put a bunch of giant marshmallows there. And tell me we're not meant to be together, huh?
Yeah. Like Dylan says, I read your mind now. I think he realizes too. That day at the dinner table still cracks me up. Because that's pretty darn good. You just gotta look and see it.
Oh! Jesus!
I got him down.
Did knocked him down?
Yeah.
Damn, JR.
Yeah, he went on the ground and had to get his bearings back, and then he turned around and went back to the tree.
Yeah.
Scared him.
Scared me. I thought he was going to be in my chest. See, it's a good thing I got the GoPro fixed.
Yeah.
That should be good. Nobody will watch it, though.
You killed a hummingbird, a regular bird, and now almost had a hawk.
That's a buzzard, wasn't it?
Yeah, whatever.
Whatever. It had wings, huh?
Yeah.
There for a minute, I thought he was going to get by. I was trying to keep my eye on the road. I saw him go down below the handlebars. I didn't realize he went down on the ground.
Yeah. Knocked him all the way down.
I bet he'll be sore tonight.
Right, he went back to the tree like this on this. I got some down. Probably died from a heart attack.
marshmallows.
Yep. Looks like a tunnel. Everybody's doing those decks like Mom just did. That house had one too. That
Composite.
Yeah.
Composite. Well, just like our backboards, we did it in pre-treated wood, but it don't last very long unless you have to stain it all the time.
Right. That's why Aunt Linda wants to get what Mom has.
That's why we did the fence in the composite, so it would last longer. Bakersville. Well, I hope the next bird ain't an ostrich. Remember last year, turkeys almost ran out in front of me.
Yeah. Then that one ride we went on, what went out? Was those pigs or something?
The what?
Hog chapter?
Yeah.
Was it pigs or something?
Goat, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah.
That's what we were talking about earlier, about the tail of the dragon. It's just as dangerous riding on this one as it is down there. You just have more people down there. That smells good.